Hello everyone, welcome back to the channels. Today I'll be teaching you how to recover Temu account password. So for that you must first own the application and you must have an account there. But I already have all, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Temu application. So once you tap on your Temu application, it will ask for password. Since we've forgotten the password, we'll have to go and tap on forgot password option. And once you tap on forgot password option, it will ask your email. Now you'll have to go and type your email. My email is already typed in, so all I'll have to do is go and tap on submit option. Now I'll have to complete a verification step. We'll have to go to your email and type the code that it has sent you. So I'll be going to my email and there you can see how Temu has sent me a verification code. Make sure you type the code within 60 seconds of it sending you. So you'll have to come back and type in that code, and then it will verify. It will ask you to set a new password, so you must set a password that is of 6 characters. And once you're done typing your password, you'll have to go and tap on submit option. So once you type in your password, you'll have to go and tap there, and once you tap there, the new password will be recovered and you'll be signed in to your account. So you'll have to tap on continue shopping. So once you tap on continue shopping, you can see how you've been logged into your account. You can see your name on the top left, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.